Gestures and motion. Gesture navigation. To go to the home screen, select the home icon. To go back to the last screen, select the back icon. To switch between apps, select the recent apps icon. Swipe left or right at the bottom of the screen, then select the desired app. To launch the Google Assistant, select and hold the home icon. To open Quick Settings and Notifications, swipe down from the notification bar at the top of the screen. Gesture Settings. To access Gesture Settings, from the home screen, swipe down from the notification bar twice. Then select the Settings icon. Swipe to and select System. Select Gestures. To switch to Gesture Navigation, select System Navigation, then select Gesture Navigation.